So I accidentally screwed up this printer today, and the display is horrible. So I've been trying to get like a display that like I can actually see. So what happened is I had a file on this, not this one, um, on the SD card along with the bin file that I didn't erase off of the card from one of the other printers. And this printer already had some kind of custom firmware. I think it was said the next layer. And apparently whatever it is was flashed to the computer and the screen. So when we turn on the screen, you'll see it for a second. The first layer. But now we have this stupid ass professional firmware, which there's an issue here. So see how we really can't see the screen very well? And then every time we do this, it just puts another stupid square there. And it never goes away. So whatever's flashed to the screen is not compatible with the professional firmware. Okay? And unfortunately, we have the BL Touch. And I need software for that. I don't know. I can't handle this display. I do not like it. So, the other printer that's similar to that is this one here. And so this is what it should look like. And you should be able to change it and do this and do that. Okay. This is essentially the same firmware. But this is terrible on the other one. Like why does it not go back like that? So so this is just the manual mesh version. So when we turn it on, so I guess what we're seeing is, so it's a Creality and then that. So I guess what I need to do then is I gotta download the crap for the screen, I guess, and then I gotta go ahead and go with this one. This one says 4.2.7, but I don't know, and there's no icons here. So, and then you don't know where you're at. You can kind of tell by going from here. Well, I can tell them in advance. But I'm not using this like this. This is ridiculous. It's too hard to navigate. Because, oh, look at that. That is weird. So, see, like, but it does, I don't know. Is there something like some laggy crap on here? I don't know. What I'm gonna undo the screen on the other one and see what this thing does. Let's go ahead and shut this thing off. Alright, we got the other screen on it. I also tried the one that was on this on the other one. Okay. So yeah, it looks normal. Okay. This is how you want it to be. I can live with this. I don't know what the software was that was on it before. It said some, first layer, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. This particular printer would be a problem to probably run on, it'd probably be a problem to run with Klipper because you have the BL Touch and you're using the 4.2.7, and that's basically, you need to flash the stock. You need the Ender 3V2 software on here from Creality. So yeah, you would have to put that on there, I think. So I'm sure this one will work with this, but I need to figure out how to flash the display on the other one. So that's what I'm going to do.